Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be packing away these holiday Christmas decorations, and I'm sure you've done so by now, but welcome. Let's see how I got here. I first set the tone with a slender yet beautiful Christmas tree I picked up from Hobbie Lobbie. It already has attached lights, so I didn't have to worry about tangled lights getting in my way. I first started out by assembling this tree upside down, but I eventually figured it out. It comes in 3 parts that slice together nicely for easy assembly. I forgot to mention that this tree has fox snow and it sheds a little but not a whole lot. And I thought this tree fit so well in this space that I was working with. And these gift boxes I picked up in an Amazon outlet around town. I feel it's a nice touch to the decor. Plus they have lights. These small balls, stars, and ribbons all came from the dollar store, and they all came with tiny threads to feed through the holes of the ornaments that I didn't use. Instead, I just placed the ornaments on the trees without the threads. It's all coming together and I like how full it is, and there's no need to add extra lights. That olive tree in that corner I decided to put lights on as well, along with this garland, and I've had this tree and that garland for some years now. This clip is really blurry, but on top of that china cabinet, there's a globe. It's a Christmas globe that my Auntie April bought me, and there's a story behind that globe on my post. If you want to check out that story, check out the post. And here for this first bath, I decided to put a few sequins deers and fox fur gift boxes that I believe came from Homegoods. And for the kitchen, I went with these beautiful rhinestone deers and of course this Santa that my Auntie April bought me. Y'all just look at me climbing up here like I got it like that. Pray for me. And as long as God keeps giving me the energy to do it, well, I'm going to do it. With caution, of course. Y'all see that fake tiny door to my left? It has a sunflower on it. Well, behind the sunflower, it has a Christmas wreath that's stapled to the front of the door. I figured I'd keep my door there, but change out the wreath each season. And during the spring, I didn't get around to removing the Christmas wreath. Instead, I just placed the sunflower right on top of it. Let's pack this stuff up. See you next year. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below.